What's good, guys? It's your girl from Retro Rick and
Maddie's Kicks.
And we're coming to you today with a special box. But before we get into it, I want you guys to go subscribe and leave a comment and like this video. Let's get into it.
Yo, you heard Maddie. We finna get right into it. We got an unboxing. We finna do something different. Nike, yeah, we back on Nike again. This don't come out, I ain't gonna say when, because y'all gonna know, but we gonna hop right into this dope unboxing. We gonna do this special. Let's hit the poolside, man. Walk this poolside for me, baby. Yeah. See what's going on. We got Mads doing something different, gang. Look, man, for real, like she said, man, leave a comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, share, hit that like button. We're going right behind me. Let's get it. All right, gang, before Maddie hit that box, I got to show y'all real quick. On foot, Maddie got them on deck. Turbo greens. She got them laced up real slick. All right, gang, let's get into it. I just had to show y'all that since we messing with the Jordan 1s, we had to get y'all this unboxing. Let's open it up, Max. Gonna open this up. First thing I noticed is the paper, the SB paper. This is a nod. Y'all know what's going on now. If I say SB, I'm gonna let y'all know which one. Let's open it up slowly. Oh, them guys. The New York to Paris. The bone color. They retail for $175 plus tax in your neck of the woods. They don't come out to May 25th, but you know how me and Maddie do. We got them early. You see the laces on deck. You got the black lace that come with it. Let's zoom in real quick on them laces. You got the black laces that come with it. The hyper pink. And you got the pink that kind of look like they came with the peach. Maddie say peach. Then you got the gray. Then of course right here on hold the tongue up for me, Maddie. You got the, you know, that nod. You got the Nike SB collab. Like I say back in the day, man, this is what most of the skaters, if I didn't say that, this is what most of the skaters actually preferred skating in was the Jordan 1s because they was comfortable. They can bend them up. And then when SBs came out, they kind of took flight with them. So, you know, they went back and put this one together and acknowledge each other. So I thought that was dope. And we're going to get into this one. We got that gray on the back. That's that hyper pink that's actually coming through it.
Look at the lining.
Yeah, look at the lining on it. I mean, like even the toe box here, you got the gray. It's like that's the bone, I guess. That's the bone. You got the gray. So let's show them the other shoe, Maddie. So let's get the other shoe. Hold up, let me zoom out. There we go. So that's both of them. Set the other one down with the laces, please. Let's get the other one in the camera. Okay. Nice. Nice. So y'all leave a comment, man. Tell me y'all, would y'all rock this pair? Would y'all leave it gray? Would you rock it pink? Would you go gray and pink? You know what? I think Maddie gonna help us out make this decision. Maddie, you wanna try something?
Yep.
What you wanna try, Maddie?
We're gonna take out the color on one shoe, guys.
So we're gonna take out the color on one shoe. Y'all pray for me. Let's get into a red knot, gang. Don't go nowhere. Dope, on foot, red now. Let's wake the at you. We waking the dead on foot as promised. You know, it's a classic Jordan 1. Of course, like we said, you got the Nike SB on the tongue. I put the black laces in. I'm gonna go get ready to move this to Maddie's project. I'm gonna wake the dead on the laces, they gone. So that's the gray, the bone look. Let me know what y'all rocking, bone. You rocking pink, or you do one bone, one pink. Right here on this channel, we gonna keep y'all informed. We gonna let y'all know. Me and Maddie gonna go ahead and do it for y'all. No worries, gang. All right, let's change the colors on them, Maddie. Gang. All right, we're gonna hop right into it. We got some fingernail polish removal. It's coming out pretty good. Go slow, man, so they can actually see it. Don't wipe it too hard. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna pause this video. I might speed it up and slow it down so you can see what's going on. We already look at that hyper pink coming off. Courtesy of Maddie. This is what we got real quick, gang, just to let you know.
Just a little nail polish, no regular.
Non-acetone nail polish remover. Maddie got on gloves to protect the fingers. We're doing it outside. I already like how that pink is kind of fading into it. So look, our mistake, it'll be you can capitalize off of it. If it's not a mistake, y'all know Maddie did it here first. I ain't gonna say first, we probably got other veggies out. But I know Maddie finna work her magic. Don't y'all agree, gang? So look, I'm gonna pause this so I'm not wasting all the camera. I'm gonna show y'all steps and stages. And y'all know we finna rock this music in the background. Holla at them, Big Goldie. Let's wake the dead, cuzzo. All right, gang. Maddie working her magic. Look at it. Look how she doing it. She actually told me, Dad, what we need to go get Maddie? Tell them what we need.
Q-tips.
Maddie said we need Q-tips because she want to be perfected with it, getting everything out. So I'm going to go get them Q-tips for her. Coming out real crispy.
Buttery.
What you say, Maddie?
Buttery.
Buttery. Maddie been using that word, man. Maddie been using that word for about 12 years, I promise you, man. Shout out to Maddie with the buttery. All right. That's that part. We're going to keep rocking with it. Stick with us, man. Y'all can speed it up, slow it down. Get back into it. Man, Maddie doing that magic. I went to go get the Q-tips that she requested. And I came back and she just did the back of the heel, which is popping.
This right here, if I wipe it, I think the air during the time is going to come off completely.
Well, only one way to find out. Let's let somebody else find out. It's going to be us. So we're going to find out what the Wings logo do when Maddie rub it. We don't know. Hopefully it stays on. It looks like it's staying on, actually. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it's staying on, giving you that vintage look still. I knew Maddie had her daddy. I knew this was going to happen. This is why I let her do it. All right, gang, we're going to pause this part and keep it going. See on the back portion of it. You can see how kind of the acetone, well, fingernail polish removal is fading from that pink to that gray, light gray to dark gray. You see the transition? Just trying to show y'all in between. Maddie's doing a good job. Y'all know what I say, man. You can speed it up, slow it down. If I was y'all, I'll watch this whole digi. Ain't no telling what's gonna happen in between. All right, it's the check portion. So you got the Q-tips. Now y'all seeing that hyper pink come out. Hey, no cap, man. If y'all want Maddie to go ahead and do y'all shoe like this, send it in, pay for your shipping and handling, work out a price with Maddie, she get you in there. We'll send it right back to you, looking A1. Nice. Look at that. Look how it's coming. Let me zoom in. Now you can actually see the leather on it real good. And we're gonna flip it around to the other side. All right, fam. Let's dive right into it. Yeesh, Maddie gonna switch out the laces for me, but let's just get into it so y'all can see the difference. This is the shoe. Before, you see how that's the black right here? It's not black anymore. Maddie changed the color around the ankle support, which I did not know is black. Then she turned to this color. That I now know where that hyper pink is coming in at. Changed the check with that real vintage look. I hope everything's showing up on the camera. Even coming around the toe, looking real crispy. Let me double back around real quick so I can show y'all the other toe box so y'all can see the difference. You got the SB Nike, and then in the inside we left out, you had that hyper pink in the inside. So now I see where the ankle support was coming from. You got the Nike SB. Maddie did a good job, yo. That vintage look. So here go the other shoe. I'm gonna be honest with you. I like the vintage look better. I already stated, you know, gray is not, you know, one of my favorite colors, but the way this popping with the vintage look, I got to go and change the other one. I'm not gonna do it now. I'll probably upload that photo up on IG if we decide to do it. But right now, Maddie said, let's wake the dead again. Let's get it, gang. We waking the dead. That's the gray pair. I'm gonna hit you with the other pair Maddie did. Y'all leave a comment below. Let me know if you'll rock this pair. Maddie, I love the lacing system, baby. Lacing system nice. How you lace those up? Y'all leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. See the vintage, like that hyper pink coming out now around the Nike check, around the back, angle support. And you got the classic, of course, right here, the gray bone. Let me know which ones y'all will rock. Maddie did her thing, so you know I'm gonna rock these. I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna have her do the other one, but not now. We just wanted to show y'all the difference. So look, we're gonna get back in front of the camera, and then Maddie gonna sign out. Don't go nowhere, gang. We appreciate y'all. We sorry for the delay in the vidgies. I had some, you know, family issues going on. People on IG know what's going on. I appreciate me and Maddie and our family both, everybody, every comment y'all left. It means a lot. You know what we say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Maddie, you wanna tell them something?
Yo.
Still a whole lot of gang. We out.